So now let's see how we can add a separator inside of wordpress.com. So I'm in the editing area, and to add in a separator, I'm simply going to go around and hover around in between two blocks and click on add block. And now I'm going to type in separator right here. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that a separator has been added in, which is a visible line right here in between the two blocks. I can simply go ahead right here and add in a separator right here, just like this as well. And there you go. There is this little line right here, just like this, which is the separator right here. You can go ahead and move it up or down as I want right here. You can also go around onto the block option right here, and you can turn it into dots or wide line right here, just like this as well, and change around the background color for this particular line as well. You can change around the margin for this and so forth as you want as well. So change it out into dots right here as default, white lines and so forth, as you can see. And this is how you can visually separate out contents inside of your post. So let me just go ahead and save this and then go to the view page right here. And over here, you can see the separator right here, the two separators I added in right here to visually distinguish the contents in your WordPress page. So that is how you can add in a separator inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.